I'm Will Tolliver Jr. I'm an educator, environmentalist, and a Pittsburgh native. In this video, we're going to learn about herbs. Traditionally, herbs are used in health and wellness, cultural and artistic practices, and my favorite, food. Now, whether your garden is in a window box, a raised bed, or a farm, this video is going to help you learn how to use, store, and enjoy some of my favorite herbs. Let's get into it. So one of the things I wanted to talk to you about today was really putting some intentional thought behind how you organize your garden for the foods that you enjoy. So for me, pizza, tea, and salsa. I thought about those things and I said, what can I use? What herbs can I use every day? So for my pizza, I've got basil and I've got oregano. Now just because I like those doesn't mean that those will work for you. Maybe you enjoy some red pepper, or maybe you enjoy some thyme, or maybe you enjoy garlic on your pizza. But I really want to introduce a thought about organizing your garden in a way that you can enjoy, because that's what a garden is for us to use and enjoy every day. There you go. Pizza! So once you have your favorite pizza out of the oven or delivered, you can simply add your oregano or basil to the pizza any way that you see fit to add some flavor right on there. Perfect. And I've got a few basil leaves here. I like to smack them a little bit to activate flavor. Lay that right on there. And that heat will actually help activate it too. Bada bing, bada boom. And you're ready to enjoy. One of my favorite things to enjoy at home is tea. In the morning, afternoon, or right before bed, you really can't go wrong. So what I have here are spearmint and peppermint plants in my planters. I love them so much. Now, you could put them directly in tea, but one of the things that I did was froze them in ice cubes. Simply rip up pieces and put them into the ice tray. Now try to avoid adding the stems, but if they're in there, it's not going to hurt. And once you do that, you're just going to want to pour some water right over those. And there you have it. This is chamomile. There you are. My favorite. Another thing that I love to enjoy at home is salsa. Whenever I think of salsa, I often think about onions or cilantro. Now, in this case, I do have some cilantro here, and this cilantro is a herb that is traditionally or most commonly used in Latin America. And I also have chives here. Now, not onions, but still emulating that flavor, which is really great. So what I have here is some salsa. Now, you can make your own salsa from tomatoes, or you can buy it in the store. I do have some cilantro and chopped up chives. I'm just gonna dump those in there. And I have tortilla chips. Now, you can mix it all up together to give it that fresh taste and enjoy. It's actually really good.
Yeah.
So, it's important to know that whenever you have herbs, they need watered about 2 times a week. You can take a spray bottle, just like this one, and spray at the base of the plant, which is where the plant meets the dirt. You just want to make sure that it is moist to the touch. You don't want to overwater, just enough. And you can look online for different care instructions for your specific herbs. After you harvest your herbs, there are a few different ways that you can store them. One way is to dry them, but my favorite and the most straightforward is storing them in the fridge. To do that, what you'll need is a paper towel inside of a plastic bag. Make sure you dampen the paper towel first. What you're gonna do is throw the herbs right in between the wet paper towel and put them in the fridge. They'll last for about a week, and you can enjoy them on your salsa, on your pizza, or maybe in your tea. Either way, you'll be good to go if you store them like this. Thanks for tuning into my video. I hope you learned something new about herbs, how to store, use, or enjoy them. And if you take care of them, they'll take care of you. So enjoy your salsa garden, pizza garden, or tea garden. Either way, garden. See you later.